Just to let you know, this is a genuine Māori channel with the main mission and vision to maintain our Māori culture and Māori history. And before we start our episode today, if you like this episode, please don't forget, click the like button. And for those of you that want to hear about our Māori culture, our leaders and our history, please don't forget, click the subscribe button. And as we're going through the Rangatira series, today we will be talking about Iriaka Rātana. Iriaka was born Iriaka Matu Te Rio in Hiruharama, Whanganui in Aotearoa in the North Island on the 25th of February 1905. Her father was Te Rio Hihiri of Ngāti Hawa, Ngāti Ruru with whakapapa connections to Ngāti Tūwhare Toa. Her mother was Merania Te Karaute of Te Ati Haunui, a paparangi iwi, both equally raising her with a strong sense of cultural identity, Māori traditions, with connection to whenua. This would also play key to her leadership character later on down the track. 1925, she became Tahupōtiki Wiremu Ratana's second wife. After his death in 1939, she became Matu Ratana's wife, who is Tahupōtiki's son from his first marriage. By that time, she was heavily influential in the Ratana movement. Matu Ratana won the Western Māori seat in 1945, but shortly after, unfortunately, he passed away in 1949, which would be the catalyst for change for Iriaka to take up that pou and go into politics. Despite opposition of some, and shortly after the birth of her seventh child, she won the Western Māori seat. She became the first Māori woman politician. Her main reasoning for going into politics was to improve the welfare of Māori women and Māori children in specific areas such as health, education and housing. She also played a key role in addressing Māori land-related issues, including drafting the 1955 Māori Trust Boards Act. This led to the progression of Tainui and Taranaki tribes receiving compensation payments from lands that had been confiscated from them in the 1800s, which meant they had to set up trusts in order to be able to receive those compensation payments. 1957, she once again won her electorate and had the largest numbers. 1969, she retired from politics. During her retirement, she loved working on the farm in her gumboots. 1981, she passed away, being remembered as the first Māori woman to open that door for Māori women to go into politics. For those that like this episode, please don't forget to click the like button, and for those that want to hear more about Māori culture and Māori history, please don't forget, click the subscribe button.